The old carpenter's last house. Michael had been a carpenter for more than 40 years. He was known throughout his town for building strong and beautiful homes. People trusted his work because he always paid attention to every detail. As the years passed, Michael began to feel tired. One morning, he visited his employer and said, "I think it's time for me to retire. I want to spend more time with my family and enjoy the years ahead." His employer was sad to see him leave, but respected his decision. "I understand," he said. "But before you go, could you build just one more house for me?" Michael agreed, although his heart was no longer in the job. Instead of doing his best work, he started taking shortcuts. He bought cheaper materials and rushed through important parts of the construction. The house looked fine from the outside, but Michael knew it was not built with the care he had always shown throughout his career. Several months later, the house was finished. Michael met his employer one final time and handed him the keys. To his surprise, the employer smiled and handed the keys back. "This house is yours," he said. "It is my gift to thank you for your many years of hard work and loyalty." Michael stood speechless. His heart sank as he realized what he had done. If he had known the house would belong to him, he would have built it differently. He would have chosen better materials, worked more carefully, and given it his very best effort. That day, Michael learned a lesson he would never forget. Life is much like building a house. Every choice we make, every habit we develop, and every action we take becomes part of the future we will eventually live in. When we cut corners today, we may be hurting ourselves tomorrow. From that moment on, Michael shared this lesson with everyone he met. Always do your best, even when no one is watching. The life you are building today is the one you will live in tomorrow. Moral of the story: your future is built by the choices you make today. Always give your best effort, because every action becomes part of the life you create for yourself.